Hi, welcome to another new video, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to play with friends Connect.io. So the process is really simple. If you are using mobile phone, then you need to be download their app from Google Play Store. So you need to be installed. Once your reinstall has been completed, you can now allow to use this Connect.io apps. But if you are using computer and web platform, then you need to be here clear and play around what is the room name of your friend, and you need to be paste it here, or you can choose any server from that place. Here we have various server. So the process is simple. If you want to play on this, like now I am joining in a room, so I am allowed to play a game over here, and you can see in the right corner we have some option that are our friends. So the process is really simple. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video.